they had a very beautiful high-fidelity mannequin where to give them an idea about a clinical scenario. And I feel that the whole doing the clinical skills, the patient skill, the whole patient's journey in critical care in a critical sick child, and to get a positive debrief, everything was so beautifully done. It's one of the best lab I've seen in India, and I'm really happy with all those stuff.
I think the best part about the workshop was I could make mistakes easily, and I was not very fearful of who might actually get hurt in the process, and we learned from our mistakes.
We are created in an artificial scenario which is going to mimic like a real life, where we can take a chance of doing mistakes, and from that mistakes we can learn, so that in real life scenarios the mistakes are not done. Here in DY Patil we have got a high-fidelity simulation lab, where we have got all the equipments which are necessary for doing a real life simulation.